I'm right in the middle of digging a trench because I'm putting in a whole house water filtration system. And I've got to tie in to the water line, and I'm going to tie in, well, around the house here. Let me show you what I'm doing. I want to have the water filtration system here on the side where I can build like a fence to hide it. I don't want people to be able to see it from the street. So here's the problem I'm having. It's this post right here is going to interfere with that trenching, so I've got to pull the post out, and I'm going to do it with this tool right here. This is a farm jack, and I'm going to show you how to use a farm jack to pull a post, and you can also use it to pull shrubbery that's well established. So let's jump right into it. So here's our post, and as you see, it's a little weathered, right? And it's round and weathered, so there's not a whole lot. In fact, there's nothing for our farm jack to really grab hold of. So this is how I'm going to solve the problem. I'm going to take a 6-inch timber screw, that's what this is here. I'm going to drive it through our post, but first I'm going to wrap a chain around it and then drive the timber screw right through the chain. And that's going to give our farm jack something to grab hold of. All right, I've got my chain secured. Now all I need to do is attach the chain to my farm jack and crank it out of the ground. Now what I have here is a quick link, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this quick link to join the two together here. Now I have something to feed through my farm jack. Now one of the things you want to do is you want to place a piece of plywood on the ground and rest your jack on top. It's going to prevent the jack from sinking into the ground and give the jack something solid to rest on. Now once you've got your jack firmly planted, you take that chain and you wrap it around the farm jack. Now I'm ready to crank it up. Okay, what I've had to do is I've had to move the jack off of the plank onto a neighboring cinder block right here to get it a little closer to the post so we can pull it right up out of the ground. Now that I've got the post almost out of the ground, what I'll do is I'll remove the chain here and then I'll just pull the post out with my hands. And that's how you use a farm jack to remove a post. Now I gotta ask you this. Are you afraid of what your next home repair is gonna cost you? Well, I gotta tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. You know, you can take your DIY skills from here all the way up here and start saving, well, thousands of dollars by doing the work yourself. I have created a seejanedrill masterclass. I want you to check it out. I encourage you to go to the link below this video and give it a peek, because here's the thing. I've got a special deal going on right now for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And not only will you save a boatload of money doing the work yourself, you'll save a boatload of money on the course as well. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.